Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. In today's recipe, we'll be making bread, homemade bread. Now, this bread is so delicious. Let's get started. In my bowl, I'll add the milk and I'll bring in the yeast and we'll stir this and ensure that all the yeast is dissolved. All the ingredients I used are all at room temperature. Now we'll come in with the sugar and we'll also mix this in. I'll break in one large egg. This egg will help make it so fluffy. Now we'll stir this in also. Make sure that the egg yolk is well dissolved. And I'll add an oil. This is vegetable oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. And we'll also mix this in. We'll come in with the bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour if that's what's available to you. And we'll come in with the salt. And we'll mix all this in well till all the dry flour is absorbed into the mixture. We'll keep mixing till we'll have a shaggy dough like this. And at this point, we'll have to transfer this to our work table for easier kneading. Let's flex the muscles in the kitchen. If you have a stand mixer, you can knead with it, but I always prefer kneading with my hands. This is homemade bread, so I can always knead with my hands. At first, it might seem sticky, but you keep working on it. If after 2 minutes of kneading is still very sticky, you will have to add a couple tablespoons of flour to absorb in the moisture. We'll knead this between 5 to 7 minutes, and this is how it looks like now. We'll form this into a ball shape. Make it nice and tight. And I will spray a little cooking oil on my work surface. This will help the dough not to stick while I allow it rest for 25 minutes. I'll cover it with my cling film. And this is 25 minutes later. I'll poke a hole in the middle and we'll cut it open. Now we'll cut out this dough into 7 places. If you want exact measurement, you'll have to use your kitchen scale to get the exact measurements, but I randomly cut this into 7 places. And this is my baking pan. I will also grease it with oil. This will help the dough not to stick to the pan, and when the bread is coming out from the oven, to come out so easily. We'll be folding each dough. Fold it into a ball shape and tuck it in. That way this wouldn't open up when you're proving it or when you send it to the oven. It's round just like a ball, and we'll repeat this same process for all the cut dough. And this is another way to do it. I'll place it on my table and keep wrapping it round till the outer part is smooth. We'll cover this with my kitchen towel and allow it to rest and rise for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. I live in a warm country, so I don't need to keep this in a warm area. If you live in the cold regions, please keep this in the warm area to proof properly. And we'll be sending this to a preheated oven. And quickly with my spray bottle, I'll spray on the dough. We'll be doing this as quickly as possible so the heat doesn't evaporate from the oven. We'll be baking at 180 degrees Celsius between 25 to 30 minutes, and my oven has the up and down heating elements. And here comes our bread. Now, this is the definition of deliciousness. My kitchen has this wonderful oven baked fresh bread, and it's amazing. I hope you'll try this and let me know how it came out for you. This bread was quite heavy and it's so soft, just like cotton. Imagine eating this oven fresh bread just coming out from the oven. What do you think about this recipe? Will you be recreating it? You can let me know if you want me to make any particular type of bread or any other recipe, and I will do just that. Please subscribe to my channel. Please also like and share my videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.